Professional selling and the ability to prospect effortlessly is a combined result of who you are, how you think, and the way you come across, not solely a function of what you do. Imagine for a moment that each person looks at life, and more specifically, cold calling, through a certain set of lenses or a set of beliefs that define our perspective about life, our career, and the events that we experience. Imagine looking at a piece of art or even going to a movie. Two people exposed to the same stimuli will have two totally different experiences and different points of view. There is a saying I heard early on in my sales career: selling is a transference of feeling. Although this is true, consider what happens if the feeling you are transferring to your prospects is the wrong feeling because your beliefs or thinking are coming from a negative, fear-based, limiting, or self-serving place. If you are prospecting because you need to close more sales in order to save your job or to make enough money to pay your bills, you can bet that your prospects are going to pick up on your underlying intentions and run the other way. Consider one of the objectives of a cold call: to create a feeling within the prospect that stimulates interest and motivates them to take the next step and hear more about what you have to offer. Therefore, it's critical that you are transferring the right feeling and attitude to your prospects.